You felt it last night, that surge of motivation, the plan, the promise that tomorrow you would finally change. And this morning, it was gone. You waited to feel it again, and while you waited, the day slipped past you. Here is the truth nobody wants to tell you. Motivation was never the thing holding you back. Motivation is a mood. It shows up loud and it leaves quietly, and it owes you nothing. You have been building your entire life on a feeling that disappears the moment things get hard. That is the real problem. Not laziness, not a lack of desire. You have plenty of desire. You have wanted this for years. What you do not have yet is the willingness to move without permission from your emotions. Discipline is that willingness. It is doing the thing when the feeling is gone. It is the quiet decision to keep a promise to yourself even when no part of you wants to. Motivation asks how you feel. Discipline does not ask. It just goes. And here is what changes everything. Discipline is not a personality you were born with. It is a muscle. Every time you act without waiting to feel ready, it gets stronger. Every time you wait, it gets weaker. So stop trying to feel motivated. That is the trap. Instead, make the decision so small that your feelings do not get a vote. Do not commit to an hour. Commit to 10 minutes. Sit down and start before your mind talks you out of it. Put the phone in another room so the excuse has nowhere to hide. You are not trying to transform your life today. You are trying to prove one thing to yourself, that your word means something, that when you say you will do it, you do it. Because every promise you break to yourself teaches you that you cannot be trusted. And every promise you keep, no matter how small, rebuilds that trust one brick at a time. That is the whole game. Not intensity, consistency. The people you admire are not more motivated than you. They just stopped waiting to feel like it. So the next time that feeling fades, and it will, do not chase it. Move anyway. On the path to glory, discipline is what remains when motivation walks out the door. Begin before you are ready. Begin now.